Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my BoxyCharm for October. This is only my second box I've gotten from them, and so far I have been pretty impressed. Candy shop. And I do have all the products on the back, so I'm going to set that aside for a moment and just dig in. Looks like the first thing is a zippered pouch from Luxie. Oh, cool. Got a whole set of brushes and a brow brush. So there are 5 of those, and I already have some that look like this too, so it's nice to have a full set, because with Ipsy or Birchbox you just get like one here, one there. Cool. And that says it retails for $40, so that's already the price of the box, because this only costs $25 a month. So next up I have Brazilian Kiss. It's tinted lip butter. Take a look. Interesting packaging. And it's a nice shade too. I don't wear like reds or pinks, so that's definitely something I would use. Next, we have Meet Your Hue, a full coverage concealer in the shade Fair. That looks super pale. Does anyone ever look at their shade and like, am I really that pale? Yep. That looks like, I like that the brush is really thick, but this looks super light. But maybe not once it's blended in. I don't know. It is full coverage though, that's for sure. It looks a little weird on camera, but it did blend in pretty good, even though it looks pretty light. And I forgot to mention the prices of the other two. So the concealer is $24 and the lip butter is $20. And there are a few more items in here. Next is from Ace Beauty, and this is a lip liner. Duo, and this is $16. So there's 2 of them in here. I have like a red and a brown. Nice and thick. I like that. And I think this is the last one. We have an editor palette from Ciate, London, and it says this retails for $32. See if I can open it. I'm trying not to mess with my nails too much because I just did them and I don't want to chip them. That's really cute. So last month I got a palette too, so I don't know if that's normal to get that many palettes, because these are big. And here's what that looks like. So a wide variety of colors, mainly has shimmer. There's a few that are matte though, but very pretty. And definitely worth a $25 value, that's for sure. So I will show you the card one more time just so you can see the retail values. What, this is about $132 roughly value in that box. Awesome. So I think I did get another month. I think I signed up for like a 3-month subscription. So if you're interested, stay tuned and I'll be back. I'm still unboxing Ipsy as well, just not Birchbox anymore. I did cancel that subscription. But if you guys are interested in joining BoxyCharm, I will have my code below. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.